Today's question is, will these rabbits, which one will they eat first, banana or apple? Let's see. Toffee is looking at the banana. He has started eating the banana. And Honey is now eating a banana too. So this is the answer to the question. Do rabbits want to eat apple or banana first? These rabbits want to eat banana first. Bye-bye. They have demolished the bananas now, so they are very happy with their company. I wonder when they'll go into the apples. They seem very happy with their achievement of demolishing a banana. This one is Toffee, this one is Honey. The white nose and the white paw is Honey, and this little brown guy is Toffee. And they're very big. They're about one now. Honey is now back to the food. And they like their food, these two. So we give them hay and food and fresh water every day. And some vegetables as well. Make sure that your rabbit has hay, water and food. Bye-bye.